Have you ever wondered which SUV is the better choice? A modern electric Tesla Model Y long range? Or a reliable Toyota RAV4 Limited? Today, we're comparing two popular SUVs that many Americans consider when buying a used vehicle. First, let's talk about the 2021 Tesla Model Y long range. This vehicle is priced at around $28,994 and has only 45,988 miles on it. It's an all-wheel drive electric SUV with an EPA estimated range of 326 miles on a full charge. One of the biggest advantages of the Tesla Model Y is that it doesn't require gasoline, which can save drivers a significant amount of money over time. But it's not just about efficiency. The Model Y is also known for its impressive acceleration, advanced technology, and futuristic design. Inside, you'll find a large touchscreen display, premium audio system, memory seats, power liftgate, and many other modern features. Another positive point is that this vehicle has no reported accidents or damage history. However, Tesla isn't perfect. Some owners have reported issues with customer service and repair wait times. Others have shared mixed opinions about Tesla's autopilot system. While many drivers love it, some feel it doesn't always meet expectations. Now let's move on to the 2015 Toyota RAV4 Limited. This SUV is priced at approximately $22,282, making it about $7,000 cheaper than the Tesla. It has 67,794 miles on the odometer and comes with a 2.5-liter gasoline engine, all-wheel drive, and a 6. Toyota's biggest strength has always been reliability. Millions of drivers around the world trust Toyota vehicles because they are known for lasting many years with relatively low maintenance costs. The RAV4 delivers around 22 to 29 miles per gallon, which is considered solid fuel economy for an SUV. Just like the Tesla, this vehicle also has no reported accidents or damage history. If you're looking for a vehicle that's easy to maintain, has widely available parts, and offers long-term dependability, the Toyota RAV4 remains a strong choice. So which SUV wins? If you want cutting-edge technology, electric driving, quick acceleration, and a more futuristic experience, the Tesla Model Y is the clear winner. But if you prefer lower purchase cost, proven reliability, easier maintenance, and long-term value, the Toyota RAV4 may be the smarter option. Now it's your turn. Which one would you choose? The Tesla Model Y or the Toyota RAV4?